Want to buy crypto on BingX in 2026? The process only takes a few minutes, and you'll be ready to start investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies. Start by opening the BingX or launching the BingX app and logging into your account. If you're a new user, complete any required identity verification before making your first purchase. Next, go to the Buy Crypto section from the homepage or Assets menu. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Then select your payment method. Depending on your region, BingX may support bank cards, bank transfers, third-party payment providers, or peer-to-peer purchases. Review the exchange rate, fees, and transaction details before confirming your order. Once the payment is completed and processed, your crypto will appear in your BingX wallet automatically. Before making larger purchases, it's a good idea to start with a small amount to familiarize yourself with the process and available fees. And that's how you buy crypto on BingX in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto trading guides.